You will never be truly rich if you don't find a way to make money while you're sleeping. How, you may ask? One of the ways is through investing in real estate. If you do it the right way, yes, you can make a lot of money without even moving a finger. But if you do it the wrong way, you can lose everything. So today, I'm going to destroy one of the biggest lies in real estate, that flipping houses is some easy path to getting rich. Because online, everybody makes it look sexy. Buy a broken house, paint the walls, change the lights, add some tiles, sell it, boom, profit. Everybody acts like you can become rich by holding a drill and taking one smiling photo in front of a staircase. That is nonsense. The truth, flipping houses can make you rich, but it can also make you broke, stressed, and embarrassed if you don't know what you're doing. And most people jumping into it have no idea what they're doing. My name is Musa, and I've spent real time around real estate, real deals, real numbers, real risks. And today, I'm not here to sell you a fantasy. I'm here to give you the truth people avoid, because the truth is less glamorous and way more useful. So let's get straight into it. First, what is house flipping? House flipping is simple. You buy a property below its potential value, you improve it, then you sell it for more money. Sounds easy, but that is exactly why so many people get trapped. Because the idea is simple, but the execution is very brutal. Let me give you a basic example. Let's say you buy a house for 50 million shillings. You spend 10 million fixing it. So now you are in for 60 million. Then you sell it for 80 million. A beginner looks at that and says, amazing, easy, 20 million profit. Wrong. Where are the agent fees? Where are the legal fees? Where is the transport? Where is the labor? Where is the cost of delays? Where is the interest if you borrowed money? Where are the surprise repairs? Exactly. That easy 20 million can shrink so fast it starts looking like crunch money. So let's establish the first big truth. You do not get rich flipping houses because you sold high. You get rich flipping houses because you bought smart. That is the game. Your money is made when you buy, not when you sell. If you buy a bad deal, you are already losing. I do not care how beautiful the kitchen looks after renovation. I do not care how shiny the bathroom mirror is. I do not care if you put luxury lights that looks like they come from a billionaire's penthouse. If you overpaid, then you are in trouble. This is why serious investors hunt for properties below market value. Maybe the seller is desperate, maybe the property is ugly, maybe it needs work that normal buyers are too lazy or too scared to handle. That is where the opportunity is. Average people see a problem. Smart investors see a discount. Now, let's talk about the second truth. Renovation is where amateurs get destroyed, because beginners always underestimate the costs. Always. They walk into a rough property and say, this is easy, paint, tiles, maybe new doors, done. Then the reality punches them in the face. The plumbing is bad, the wiring is old, the roof is leaking, the walls have hidden damage, the workers disappear for 3 days, the budget start rising like it's on steroids. Now, the project that was supposed to make money is eating money every single week. This is why smart people inspect properly, budget properly, and always leave a room for surprises. Because in property, surprises are guaranteed. If a house looks calm, just wait. It's hiding something. Third truth, time can kill your flip. A lot of people focus only on buying and renovating. They forget about time. But every extra week costs money. Every extra month costs money. If the property sits too long, your profit gets eaten alive by holding costs, loan repayments, bills, maintenance, and delays. A good flip is not just profitable, a good flip is efficient. You buy right, you fix fast, you sell smart. That is how real players move. Not slowly, not emotionally, not carelessly. Fourth truth: not every property is worth flipping. This is where many people get emotional. They fall in love with the house. Very big mistake. This is business, not marriage. Sometimes the house is cheap for a reason: bad location, weak demand, poor road access, wrong neighborhood, low buyer interest. And here, the brutal reality is you can renovate a house perfectly, but if it is in the wrong area, buyers still will not pay what you want. You cannot force a market to love a deal just because you spent money on it. That is why location matters so much. A smart investor does not just ask, "Can I fix this house?" They ask, "Will the market reward me for fixing this house?" That is a completely different question. Now, here is the fifth truth: selling is a skill. You do not just renovate a property and pray. You need good presentation, good pricing, good photos, good marketing, good timing. Because if your property sits on the market too long, buyers start wondering what is wrong with it. And once that happens, your power drops. Now you are no longer selling from strength. Now you are negotiating from desperation. And desperate sellers lose money. So, can you get rich flipping houses? Yes, absolutely yes. But not because it is easy, not because it is trendy, not because some guy online made it look like free money. You get rich flipping houses when you understand the numbers, control costs, you move fast, you choose the right deals, and sell with strategy. That is the truth. This is not for lazy people. This is not for emotional people. This is not for people who want fast money without skills. Flipping houses rewards discipline, it rewards patience, it rewards judgment. And if you do it right, it can build serious wealth. But if you do it badly, that house will teach you a lesson that you will never forget. So if you want to start smart. Study the market, learn how to price property, understand the renovation costs, talk to experienced people, and stop believing every shiny success story that you see online. Because social media shows you the new kitchen. It does not show you the sleepless nights, the budget overruns, the contractor drama, and the panic when the deal starts going bad. So, here's the final truth: flipping houses can make you rich, but only if you treat it like a serious business. Not a hobby, not a trend, not a fantasy, a business. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe right now, turn the notification bell, and comment down below. Let me know. Would you flip houses for a quick profit, or would you rather hold rental properties for a long-term wealth? And remember this: in real estate, the winners are not the loudest people. They are the people who understand the numbers. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.